What motivated me for my root cause was just to feel better, to be able to move better, just everyday life, you know? So help with the inflammation in my body. And not have the pain. When you're carrying excess weight, you have pain in your joints. The testing process I felt like was pretty easy, came in the mail, and then the lab results, Dr. Mandy went over with me. And it's just good to know your numbers and your health because everybody is different on what they need. So having a formulated powder that's specifically for you gives you the nutrients that you need that your body can then start absorbing and start doing the work. So when I take it in a shake every morning, consistency is the key, right? So if you take it every day, at least 5 days out of the 7 days, that you will see a difference. And I noticed a huge difference. And my energy was really good throughout the day. I just felt better on it. I felt like I could concentrate more. Like I'd have it in the morning for breakfast. And then sometimes I would drink another shake before I go and play pickleball. So just the energy that I would get from it. Mine has a lot of B's in it. Oh my gosh, it's full of everything. It has B's, it has D, it has magnesium, it has over like 20 different, vitamins in it. But then my body, and it's in a powder, so I'm easily absorbing it versus a pill that has to break down. Yes, I did. I've lost about 30 pounds, but it's just being also active in pickleball and then taking the Vicon supplement with eating a nutrition, shake in the morning and then eating balanced meals throughout, lunch and dinner. I would absolutely recommend this blend to anybody that's looking for a healthier lifestyle, to feel better, have more energy. And you also have to put in the work in eating better too. I think I noticed quickly within the first 30 days of being consistent with the shake, the energy levels. The weight loss came off a little bit slower, but I think slower is better, right? So 1 pound to 2 pounds a week is better versus than a lot amount. So within, a 6-month to 9-month period is when I lost the 30 pounds. So it came off slower, but I became more active. And then, all of that just kind of worked. So the HTMA testing shows you exactly where you stand with your health and what you need. Your body gets what it needs and the inflammation's brought down. Your body will lose the weight that you need to lose correctly and easily. But when it's inflamed and you're not getting the right supplement nutrition, then it hangs on and stores. So I find that if you were to just calm everything down and get what your body needs, then it starts coming off. I was really inflamed. I had high histamine levels. My thyroid was a little off. I had kind of a combination of things. And so once they were able to regulate all that with the Vicon, and then you be on the Vicon at least for 90 days to see anything, and your body's absorbing it, that's when you start to see the results. So like I said, being consistent 5 out of the 7 days, taking the Vicon, having it in a shake, mixing it with water. I mix mine with a shake every morning. It's just the easiest way for me to get everything in one scoop. And it works great. And it doesn't taste bad. So I just do flax milk. And then I do a cup of protein powder, a clean protein, and I do that. And then I'll do blueberries, or I do a max of today it was, kiwi, grapes, and peaches in there. And they taste fine. I'll show you. I have it right here. I made one. So this is it. So this one it's a cup of flax milk. It's a clean protein, and then a scoop of the Vicon. And then I have a scoop of frozen. It was just a mix of frozen berries and frozen stuff. Oh my gosh. I love that because I have a lot of pills, 15 or 20. And it's you take these in the morning, you take these for lunch, and 1 scoop, you're done. I think that is so huge. because I don't have to, I don't have to carry things in my purse. I don't have to remember. I just take the Bicon. It gives me everything that I need. And sometimes if they want you to take it twice a day, it's no big deal in the afternoon to do another scoop. And I think a powder is easily absorbed through your body. I think you start feeling better quickly when you take a powdered form versus the pill. So, and the taste isn't bad. Like I said, I don't mind the taste at all. I think it's good, and it's not something you have to gag down. You don't really taste it when you're mixing it with the shake. And when something's easy to take and it tastes good, people are more likely to do it every day. There's just so much in that one little scoop. You look behind the bottle, there's like 15, 20 different things in it, and it's one scoop versus exactly 20 pills that you'd have to take to get one scoop of everything.